Hey guys, I'm Zacatecas Baby, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to achieve this beautiful red glitter smoky eye look for Christmas and New Year's, of course using glitter, my world's glitter. The glitter that I'm gonna be using today is actually called Savor Red. So this is what we're gonna be using today, guys, to complete this look right here. If you guys could see, very easy tutorial. Anybody could do this. Trust me, guys, anybody could do this. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video, and let's get on with the tutorial.
Steadily your workflow, everything you know, so you're not stop, no time for your dear. Now she got a 6-year-old, trying to keep him warm, trying to keep all the gold. When he looks in her eyes, he gon' know he is safe when she says